Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the next session. In today's session, we will be dealing with levels of management. In an organization, there will be n number of individuals working. Few individuals might be working on routine tasks. Few individuals might be working on managerial activities. Irrespective of the task they are performing, every individual in the hierarchy is responsible for successful completion of a particular task of accomplishment of organizational objectives. Management is a universal term. It is used for certain functions that is performed by individuals in an enterprise, and all the individuals in an enterprise, they are bound together in a hierarchy of relationship. This authority and responsibility relationship binds the individuals as superior and subordinate, which will give rise to different levels in an organization. Generally speaking, there are three levels in the hierarchy of an organization: top level management, middle level management, and operational level management. Top level management comprise of board of directors, CEO, that is chief executive officer, chief operating officer, chief financial officer. Middle level management comprise of managers of various departments as well as departmental heads, divisional heads. Operational level management comprise of superior, foreman, clerk. Now, authority and responsibility are the two terms. What does authority means? Authority is the right of an individual to give order to his subordinates. We know that there is authority and responsibility relationship between the superior and subordinate. Assume that I am superior, you people are subordinates. We are working in a particular team. Now, what is authority? Authority is my right to give you order to perform particular task. And when I have given this order, now it is the responsibility, obligation of the subordinate to perform the task that has been assigned to them. Hence, authority moves downward. From whom does authority moves? Right to give order. It moves from superior to subordinate. It is moving downward. Whereas responsibility is moving upward. Subordinates are responsible for performing the task. Hence, the responsibility is moving from subordinate to superior, that is upward. Speaking about top level management consists of senior most executives of the organization, by whatever name they can be called: president, vice president, chief operating officer, chief executive officer, chairman. By whatever name they are called, it consists of senior most executives of an organization. What is their basic task? Their basic task is to integrate different elements and coordinate all those elements of different departments and ensure that overall organizational objectives need to be attained. Who is responsible for the welfare, survival, and growth of the organization? Top level managers are responsible. These top level managers, they will analyze the business environment and its implication for the survival of the firm. Already I have informed you that business environment has its impact on functioning of our organizational activity. As and when changes happen in the business environment, we need to adopt those changes in our organizational as well. Hence, whose task is it to analyze the business environment and make the necessary changes, formulate the overall organizational goals and strategies to achieve the objectives and ensure survival of the firm in this competitive world. It is the task of top level managers. These top level managers are also held responsible for all the activities of the business and its impact on the society. Hence, the task of top managers is complex, stressful, and it need long hours and commitment to the organization. Middle management or middle level management. Middle level management act as link between top managers and lower level managers. They are subordinate to the top managers and they are superior to the first line managers. Now, who are known as middle level managers? Usually, divisional heads or departmental heads are known as part of middle level management. These middle level management, they are responsible for implementing and controlling the plans and strategies which is developed by the top level management, as well as they are responsible for all the activities that are performed by first line managers. Hence, they are known as link between top managers and low level managers. What is the main task of middle level management? Their main task is to interpret the policies which has been prepared by the top management and ensure that the departments has sufficient employees, assign the duties and responsibilities to the employees, motivate them to perform the action and accomplish the objective, and to ensure cooperation and coordination among all the departments for smooth functioning of the organization is the responsibility of middle level managers. Supervisory or operational management. Who comprise in the supervisory or operational level management? Foremen and supervisors. Supervisors are directly concerned with overseeing the efforts of workforce are the one who will be performing the activities. Now supervisor's duty is to oversee the activities, guide the efforts of the workforce, and the authority and responsibility of foreman and supervisor is limited according to the plan that has been prepared by the top level management. Supervisory management, they play an important role in an organization. Why? Because they are the one who will interact with the actual workforce, as well as they are the one who will pass the instructions of middle level management to the workers. Middle level management do not directly come into contact with the workforce, right? Who is acting as a link between workforce and middle level management? Supervisor, foreman is acting as link between workforce and middle level management. With the efforts of foreman, supervisor, the quality of output is maintained. You try to make the optimum utilization of resources. Ensure safety standards are maintained and try to minimize the wastage of materials. The quality of workmanship as well as the quality and quantity of output is dependent upon the hard work, discipline, and loyalty of the workers, and getting the things done from the workers is an important task, because of which supervisor and foreman are considered as important. Any individual might be part of supervisory level of management, middle level management, or top level management. Irrespective of their role in the different level of management, every individual is considered as important for accomplishment of task and achievement of organizational objectives.